Who is a child exempted from criminal responsibility? 15 years of age or under at the time of the commission of the offense shall be exempt from criminal liability. But take note, this does not mean na yung parents ay absuelto na from not criminal liability but for civil liability. Sila pa rin magbabayad ng damages. So exempted din kahit 15 years old na siya or 16, 17 if they acted without discernment. So that's why kailangan natin i-qualify yung sagot natin as to the minimum age of criminal responsibility or MACR. Exempted from criminal responsibility, those who commit status offenses, no? Any conduct not considered an offense or not penalized if committed by an adult shall not be considered an offense and shall not be punished if committed by a child. So itong vagrancy, prostitution, sniffing of rugby, these are status offenses. So wala din silang criminal responsibility dito.